Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Economy by Aman Soni. In this new series called PREority, we will be discussing the important economic concepts for the prelims examination. Today, let's discuss the topic base effect. In economics, when we express something as a percentage increase or decrease, it always means that we are comparing it to the corresponding period in the previous year. Let's take an example. When we say the profit of 2022 increased by 10% over 2021 in quarter 1, it means that compared to the 2021 quarter 1, the profit has increased by 10% in 2022. When we say the quarter 3 profit has increased in 2021 to 25%, it means that compared to the profit levels in 2021 in quarter 3, it has increased by 25% in 2022. It doesn't mean that it has increased from quarter 2 to quarter 3 in 2022. It is always corresponding to the same period in the previous year. So what is base effect? Base effect means when we are comparing a percentage from the previous year, when the previous year's absolute value becomes so low that even a slight increase in absolute terms will lead to a tremendous increase in percentage terms. That is known as base effect, because the base with which we compare is going to get changed. So even a slight increase in absolute terms will lead to a tremendous increase in percentage terms. Let's take a numerical example. Let's assume the performance of Indian economy in various years. Let's say our Indian economy GDP was 100 crores in 2019, and because of COVID, assume it fell to 76 crores. That is, the GDP in 2019 was 100 crores and it fell by almost 24% in 2020. But after the second lockdown, the economy improved a bit, so the 76 crore slightly increased to 91 crores. The absolute increase is the difference between 91 and 76, which is just 15 crores. But if we take percentage here, that is 91 percentage increase by 76, this comes to around 20% increase. So this is base effect, because the base here, the base with which we compare the change, has fallen, the percentage increase still shows higher. If we want the 2019 economy to be at 100 crores, we would still want a 10% growth from 2021 to 22, so that it can reach the previous level of 100 crore. The same thing is happening in Indian economy currently. Because the GDP fell during the COVID times, the 2020 year's GDP was so less, even a slight increase in GDP in 2021 in absolute terms will show a tremendous increase in GDP in percentage terms. This effect, the fictitious increase in percentage which we get because of the change in base values, is called base effect. To take the realistic figures, the GDP estimates of Indian economy in 2020, the real GDP was around 4% and the nominal was around 7.6, and in 2021 it was estimated to be minus 7.3 and minus 3%, and in 2022 it is estimated to be 9.2 and 7.6%. Here we can observe that this shows a tremendous increase in the percentage increase of nominal GDP. In reality, the absolute value of the GDP is lesser compared to the 2020 levels, but because it fell to negative here, in percentage terms, the absolute value fell here, like in this example. Even a slight increase in absolute value here shows a tremendous increase in percentage term, like the 17% here. That effect is called base effect, and problem with that is it always leads to overestimating, and we cannot accurately assess what are the inflation levels, what is the current GDP level, etc. Thank you so much.